Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Bro, you know that pistol that like, oh shoot. You know that pistol that has like the fire rounds and it's one tap? You know that one? That thing's ADS is like insane. You can like just one tap it really fast and you're still gonna get.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Ooh. Dang it. Bro, I swear your bodies in this game are so OP. I don't even know why. The bodies in this game are so OP.
Practice is over. The real fight begins now.
My setup sucks.
That sucks. That's tough. That sucks. And that's tough. Where we landing, boys?
Resurgence. Be advised, gas is closing in. Proceed to the safe zone.
Where? Where are we going? Where are we going?
And your KIA teammates will redeploy.
Never mind.
Any point-worthy action.
It took forever to mark.
I'm gonna get my MP5 and cause I learned it so.
You want your MP5? Too bad. Help me, man. You suck. I missed all my shots. I had good guns, so you better run. Like, that guy had a golden Thompson, I'm pretty sure it was a Thompson.
Kung Fu Panda, motherfucker! Okay, okay.
Yeah, Kung Fu Panda, motherfucker.
Good anymore, because I'm freaking school.
Bro, me neither. What do you mean? I'm dog. I can't play anymore.
Oh, I think I just popped. I popped that lo.
I just fell. I'm gonna die. Give me this whatever. Let me run. Pushy, you're gonna die, bro.
How?
Because there's two people on you. You have no guns though.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, not that good of a guns though. Yo, there's a full-on helicopter. What is this? The internet connection quality is currently not sufficient.
I killed one.
Alright, coming.
I thought you said you were running. What?
Bro, I'm lagging. I'm lagging. Oh, no, I'm lagging.
One of your allies is back in the game.
Oh, I thought you were lying.
No, I'm not lying.
Enemy UAV active.
Someone's on me.
Great.
Soldier nearby.
Coming.
There's your golden railgun and your golden thing right here. I hear someone.
Gas is inbound.
Bro, why am I lagging? Holy.
Oh. Oh! He came from the top!
Keep moving forward.
I'm gay.
Stay aside.
What are you doing? go. Double weapon. Oh, double battle pass.
Dropping into the AO.
Let's go. Holy, I missed all my shots. What is this gun again? Is this a Milano? Man, we're playing with... Okay, this guy... No. Okay, my ADS on my, Pellington, ADSs are on Pellington are decent, to be honest. They're not that good.
Preparation's done. Time to deploy to the war
Well, they
zone.
are actually pretty good.
Hostile dropping into the area.
But not as good as Con 98.
Resurgence. Be advised, gas is closing in. Proceed to
Oh,
the
where are we
safe
landing?
zone. Live and your KIA teammates will redeploy. Any
But
point
it's
worthy
like I
action
say
returns to combat
something
quicker.
before you land. 'Cause I need
Well, you don't want to pay
your
attention, so I don't have to.
What?
Makes sense. Well, look at the ADS on this thing. Look, 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 look. Look, check the ADS on that thing.
Huh?
On the pistol, check the ADS on the pistol.
What? What about it?
You see it so fast.
So?
That thing is crazy. I just gotta go. No way. That's the most rare floor loot ever, bro. I just found a golden MP40.
I found a golden PPSH.
Let me see.
What is this gun?
Oh, that gun sucks. Also, it's kind of like it's it's the one tap. Ooh. Actually, no. You can have your. No, give me that back. We already got God loot. Just gotta hope we're not gonna die. Why is it over there? Go, 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 go.
80.
Who's this? Is this MJ? Oh, it's MJ. What's up, bro? Bro, MJ's on my live.
Huh?
MJ's on my live.
Why are you streaming? What?
I don't know.
I got a game today.
Oh, for real? What time?
His game. I bet he's talking about his game right now.
Yep. How do you know?
Because he texted in a group chat.
Yeah, what time's your game? Man, I'm liking you real bad.
1-2.
Man, nobody's here.
1, 2, hold on, wait, what? 1, 2. Oh, 12. Out there, bye, MJ. This guy just said,
What time is it?
12.
Move it.
12?
Yeah.
Keep moving
What time
forward.
is it?
10. I think it's like 8
Bro,
for
it's
him.
8 over there.
Man, I'm liking badly.
Loadout drop inbound.
Let me buy UAV real quick.
Bro, there's a chopper here.
For real? Grab this precision.
The chopper's the bounty.
Percy, why
they're
did you
hunting
put
you.
it up there? Oh shoot.
Because
That's the worst idea. They're in a helicopter, man.
I got one.
Like that's gonna do anything.
Enemy close.
Oh shoot.
Enemy UAV active.
Why do you
Holy
grab the
glad-
precision on the bottom?
I want to go by Lodi. Remember?
No, yeah, but you could have got that precision at least.
Ah! Shit, I just shot myself.
Someone's up there, someone's up there. Should we destroy the helicopter? Knocked one, knocked one,
Yes, duh.
knocked one. I knocked one.
Enemy
Let's
UAV
go.
active.
That guy died.
Got a loadout
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, right there on the left, Crack these plates, crack these plates. Pop your UAV, I'm gonna pop your UAV.
Get me recon.
Yeah, someone's on the bottom, someone's on the bottom.
Gas is closing in.
Someone's on, I just saw someone on the bottom.
Hostile dropping.
They're like all the way over there.
His teammate's
Oh,
on the
someone's just landing right there. Oh no, I accidentally freaking thing. My thing needed to say I can't do that.
Crack the shield, crack the shield.
I can't get home, I fell.
On the enemy's tail.
Cause the game
He's
wanted
reviving
it
his
not.
teammate.
We can't do anything.
UAV is out of fuel. Returning for
They're gonna
resupply.
camp up there the whole time. We can't do anything.
You outmaneuvered
Should have
the
wait
enemy
over here
trackers.
until.
Clever sneaks.
No, just wait right here. They're not gonna be able to come up.
Crack the shield.
Holy.
Crack the shield.
Spotted us.
Mar, are you gonna do anything?
At least I knocked one before and killed one. And plus I fell before. I don't know where they're at.
Daddy's not here.
Love
I'm trying
y'all,
to kill
bye
these
guys.
kids.
Love y'all, bye. Love y'all, bye guys. Bye.
How did I miss?
You suck.
I missed the car 98K.
Oh no, I just missed. Oh no, I just missed again.
Okay, I'm using.
Oh, someone's right there?
Got one?
You killed him? Alright.
Yeah.
Why's my
It's
game?
that guy up
Enemy's
there.
really moving here.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die from fall damage. Cause this game will still lag and then I'm over here moving. Without even touching my joystick. Oh.
My boy. I know your friend died down there. But
Man, stop being all wuss. Get out. Cut the plates. Let's go. I kind of helped you, by the way. No, oh no, let him be.
Gas is inbound.
Let him be.
Oh, his friend!
No, let him be.
Tossy, why did you go down?
I was on accident. I fell.
KIA. Keep fighting until
What do you
they
mean you
redeploy.
fell?
I fell. My game lagged. So and then I died.
How did you die?
Oh my god, no way! This kid is using... Dude! This guy's using a Toronto Ultra.
Taking heavy fire here.
That is some CCTV crap. Oh my god,
Look,
bro.
you gotta
We're
see a
so
master.
dead. See a master of dead. Wow, we're dead.
Oh, you
Back in
missed.
the action.
Crack the shield.
Oh, hold on, wait, let me get my loadout. Oh my god,
What, there's people camping loadout?
No.
Enemy cluster strike.
Go. I almost died.
Crack the shield again.
I can't do anything. I'm dead. I can't.
How did you die?
Oh my god, bro. Getting tired of this game. Swear if we don't stop playing with these little. Behind you, Drew. Percy, behind you. Oh, never mind. You're over there. People are where I'm at.
Stupid
People are
idiot.
where I'm
You
at.
scared me.
Because I thought you were still over there where I'm at.
You're returning
There's people where my dead body is.
Man, where's
there, went over
this
there.
dude shooting at?
Oh wait, grabbing someone's loot. Huh? What? Don't know what that rubber band is.
Let's go!
Let's go.
Target for strike.
Thank you for killing them, so now you can get some loot,
Bro,
please.
the
Thank you.
game's not even earned.
Well, that's what it is, he said.
Fire sales done. Prices are back to normal.
It's
Enemy
hard.
still alive. Repeat. Enemy still alive.
Yeah, because he killed the dude
Oh,
killed me.
I'm
with the
lagging.
car that he did. I know, I just saw you live.
I'm lagging. I'm gonna scream as loud as I can.
Gas is right on your tail.
I'm gonna keep
Why
this LTS
should
and I'm gonna grab. I'm just testing out the guns. This LTS 9, should I keep this LTS 9 or trade it out with this Western?
No, give me the OTS 9.
Oh no, I don't really feel like it anymore. No, okay. I was trying to get on the freaking train. I was trying to get on the choo-choo train and then it just
Enemy
went right
recon
on me.
drone in your area.
Oh my gosh, there's a recon gym. Oh, they're from tower. There's people from tower.
For real? Little campers. I'm gonna drop.
Yeah,
I'm dropping.
I killed the drone.
What am I doing? I want to drop the ammunition. Not waste my freaking equipment. It's my first time using a OTS. I mean, it's my first time using a Swiss and OTS.
Really?
Well, not my first time using an
using
OTS,
my
but I'm not. No, look at this Swiss. Is it yours?
No second
Yes,
chances.
it is.
Resurgence is
No, I'm pretty sure it's mine now.
Get to the new safe zone. Gas is closing in.
Man, why can't I use an OTS? You know what? Using my boom ball from
Swiss
Fortnite.
back. I want my Swiss back.
Better run, boy. You better run. What? How did that? Okay, they're going down. I just saw him jumping up and down, and I just saw him disappear in thin of air. Oh, I just saw him. Oh yeah, they're definitely down there. Man, I swear, this game. Oh no, they're up there now. They're up there now.
808, bro.
Someone's up there. Someone's up there. What the heck? What was that lag?
Right on your tail.
Bro, I can't. Bro, I'm about to push. I'm done with this game. Lagging on me.
There's one person in
Enemies
here.
really moving here.
I'm about to NIUG. Oh, we gotta go, Percy. Percy, gotta go, gotta go, gotta go.
How? How?
I don't know, but you died.
Squad
I'm
mates
lagging.
are
Okay.
Keep fighting
You're
until
what?
they redeploy.
Holy, I'm gonna use LTS now.
He used the wrong on me, bro. Saucy. You said the wrong dirt.
Woo! My god. I'm lagging. I can't do anything. Oh, I can't. I'm lagging bad. Huh?
Made it to the top 10.
Yeah, Saucy.
Can't do anything with the game, bro.
10 remain.
How do we go back? I'm gonna make a class real quick. I said pool. I need you to pool. Can you hear what I'm saying? Pool before. Shit. Oh, good heavens.
Oh, great heavens.
You think this is best album? This would have been his best album.
Holding for deployment. Take this time to ready up.
Man, I'm trying to make an OTS 9 class. We really wanted to win. We need to point up. I don't have to do it in here except I can. Where is the OTS? Because OTS destroys OTS 9s. Okay, I don't need no optic. Making this real quick. I don't need that.
Auto.
Sprint movement. Need this one real quick and I don't even know what I made, but oh man. Where are we landing, boys? Oh, I'm trying to go get insta loady. I'm pretty sure this is where you get insta loady right here.
Marking rally. Resurgence.
Hello?
Drop point for your team.
Excuse me?
soldier.
Can you hear me? Hello,
Rush to the safe zone.
it's
We've
me.
got gas closing in fast.
I'm finding all you want,
Fallen
me.
allies will redeploy as long as you remain alive. Earn points to bring them back to the action faster. LZs have been designated by green smoke. Enemy soldier nearby.
I'm lagging so bad. Okay.
Take them out. Armored trucks entering the AO. Be ready.
I'm gonna use this pistol.
Bounty target has
Cause
been
I'm a
marked.
gangster.
End them.
What the freak happened over here? I'll take this
I think
no scope SG.
I'm gonna go kill Bounty.
That's a golden
Enemy UAV
Nikita.
What?
Golden Nikita AVT custom. Nikita AVT custom. The gun sucks. It looks like it's
Enemy
dog.
dropping into the AO.
Pristinha, contact!
Enemy
Contact!
UAV active.
Holy, someone just lasered me. From the other house. Okay, after this I'm gonna restart my PS4 because I can't, actually can't play. No, I actually can't play. Where are you at?
Allied precision airstrike incoming.
I need help. Where you at? Where you at? Where are they at? Oh my god, did you just see me run like 50 miles per hour?
Enemy
Inside a
dropping into
building?
the AO.
Holy! Oh god. Who's shooting me? He's on top of me.
Get him.
Bro, you're using the...
Apex.
Yeah.
Oh! On me!
Oh shoot, my bad, I didn't know.
Get one.
Bounty target is down.
His teammate's all the way over there in secure in cargo. Or I meant
Gas is
stronghold.
right on your tail.
Bro, you know what? Gingerbread man, you can't. I'm the gingerbread man, you can't get me. Watch this, cuz. You can't get me.
I will
Get
try.
one.
Where they at, boy?
Enemy soldier
Someone's over here, boy. Get over here, boy. Wanna get you. Where you at, boy? Oh, shoot. I'm
Only
stuck.
25 remain.
Everyone is in safe zone.
Bro!
Oh, shoot, I'm stuck. Actually, like, imagine getting absolutely crushed by a truck. I just see a person over there just chilling. It doesn't even bother me just over here in a truck.
Enemy precision
Holy, go. There's another truck on me, Percy. Help me. Percy, help me. Go. I'm gonna die, Percy. I don't care about you, I'm gonna die. Percy, help me, Percy. He's gonna kill me. Oh,
I don't care.
Please. Get juked. Oh, he just got juked. Okay, I'm gonna die, Percy.
gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Oh, what the frick? That's not a good idea.
Bounty
Oh
target
no,
has been
he's
marked.
stuck.
End them.
I mean, oh yeah. Not in a weird way, but like, yes.
I'm gonna die.
Okay, I don't care. I don't care. I'm gonna
Plus,
die.
there's a person in here.
I don't care.
Enemy advanced
What do you mean you
UAV
don't care?
overhead. Be
The last
mindful.
time you said I don't care if I die. I don't care. No, I'm just kidding. I'm over here. I'm with my truck, boy. Holy, you just gotta die.
Last one standing, soldier. Survive until others
Worst
redeploy.
teammate I ever had. That
No, I'm pretty sure you're the
ever-
worst teammate.
How? I'm literally fighting people and you literally have
Bro!
kills.
There's no way.
You were one of 25.
I hit him with every shot. Why did you? Bro, you see me hit with every shot. You see that, right? I hit every single shot. I hit them all in the head. You see that, right? You saw that, right? Right? You saw that? I hit him with every single shot. Yeah. Yeah. No, you can start the game. Start.
Didn't you say you're gonna restart your game?
Oh yeah. We're back. Can I go take a bathroom?